Imagine a world in which every cup of tea is tailored to your mood, your preference, so you can experience all the joys and benefits of tea.
Hi, Kickstarter. I'm Irvin, co-founder and CEO of Teamosa. For 34 years, my family has been producing and growing tea on our tea plantation in Taiwan. Since the beginning, our mission has remained the same: deliver the most authentic and healthiest tea experience to our customers. That's why we created Teamosa, a tea brewing machine that combines the modern science with the art of the traditional tea making.
The brewing process is very important to making the perfect cup of tea. Brewing with water temperature that's too hot can damage the natural antioxidants in the teas. Steeping tea leaves for too long can also create a bitter flavor. That's why many people add the artificial flavors and sweeteners. Teamosa is an automatic tea master which learns your taste preferences. We utilize a special extraction method, ultrasonic extraction, which rapidly takes flavors out of tea and enhances the antioxidants and aroma naturally. You can use the Teamosa paper capsule, or you can use your own loose tea leaves. Once you insert the paper capsule, Teamosa scans the capsule and sets the optimal brewing temperature and steeping time. Alternatively, if you use your own loose tea leaves, which allows you to customize the brewing process and enjoy the tea exactly how you like it. The Teamosa Companion app gives you the option of customizing the brewing temperature, strength, and cup size through your device remotely. You can join the Teamosa community to explore the tea recipes and craft process.
I'm Catherine, co-founder and COO. Along with my brother Irvin and my husband Ken, we joined HEX, the first and largest hardware startup accelerator in the world.
In the past 5 months, we have been rapidly prototyping and designing the product. We are now ready to start manufacturing.
We have engineering and business skills to bring this product to market. But to do that, we need your support. Please back us to bring this product to life and make a healthy and authentic tea available to everyone. It's time to join the Teavolution with Teamosa.
Do you remember the first time you streamed a video on your smartphone? At that moment, you were no longer tied to your living room for your entertainment or to your office for work. You could access your content anywhere. But there's one small problem: your small mobile device screen. Almost all of us prefer large displays for entertainment and for work. When those work deadlines are approaching, a large desktop monitor or a dual screen setup will significantly boost your productivity. So what if there was a way to have the mobility of a phone, tablet, or laptop without losing the benefit of a large screen? It sounds impossible, but that's exactly what we did. Introducing SPUD, the spontaneous pop-up display. SPUD is a high-resolution, 24-inch display that collapses down to the size of a book and weighs less than 2 pounds. This revolutionary product is the first truly collapsible display and the only device that gives you both portability and a large screen for entertainment and productivity.
Throughout the SPUD design process, we focus on image quality and ease of use. We use the latest projection technology combined with our own custom optics to project a large, high-quality image over a very short distance. This enables SPUD to produce a bright, sharp image that's about 4 times larger than a laptop screen and 23 times larger than a smartphone screen. To make SPUD as easy to use as possible, we designed to work just like a ruggedized umbrella. You can pop up the screen in a very intuitive way, and you can have the SPUD set up and running in less than 10 seconds. And since SPUD is also lightweight, battery-powered, and uses a hassle-free HDMI connection, you can get straight to the big screen you want without wasting any time on setup.
One of the most exciting things about SPUD is the many different ways that you can use it. On the entertainment side, SPUD is basically a portable TV or movie screen. Whether you're traveling, camping, hanging out with friends at a coffee shop, or just lounging around your house, it's the big screen that you can use anywhere. For work, Having a dual screen setup is great for productivity, but you can also use it for presentations and as a collaboration tool. It's great for trade shows, sales visits, or any kind of field work. Spud gives you the flexibility you need no matter the situation. And it's great because it's a complete solution in a very small package that you can take anywhere.
We have the team, the product, and the vision to execute on Spud. And now, all we need is your support. By backing us on Kickstarter, you're becoming part of our founding community. As a special thank you, we will be adding all of our Kickstarter backers to an exclusive VIP list that gives you early access to discount codes, product updates, and beta testing opportunities. So Kickstarter, what will you do with your Spud?
Five people were invited to share their experiences with the InCase i7.
First thing I noticed was probably the quality of the screen.
It's super light.
The text is clear.
And every word is like crystal sharp.
It tells the time, the date, the weather.
It's a phone case, but the screen functions better than full-blown e-readers.
My task lists, my reminders. Kinda means I don't need to lug my Kindle around anymore. It's like a second screen for my phone that has like 6 days of battery life. What's not to love? The InCase just works wherever I go. It's anti-glare, so I can read at the beach. And at night, my eyes don't hurt from the intense light I get from my phone.
Being able to save my articles in one place has surprisingly made my life so much easier. I can even see the expected time it takes to read each article, so I can plan on my trips.
And not having to take a stack of books with me when I go camping, not even an e-reader, it's the best.
I'm probably not what you'd call a tech person, so how easy the InCase was to use was probably what attracted me most. I automatically sync all my ebooks into my InCase just by using the Bluetooth in my phone.
I like to be prepared in whatever I do, so having my checklists always on, right there when I actually need them, it makes a huge difference in my day.
I move around a lot. My things take a beating. But the InCase is solid. It seems to shock absorb better than any case I've ever used. There's no scratches, there's no dents, there's no cracks, and I've probably dropped it like more than a dozen times. Sorry guys.
When I really need to focus, turning my phone around and having my favorite photos there like a picture frame, that's actually a really nice touch.
Now I feel spoiled.
Just automatically saving my news to read later, so I don't have to do anything?
Bigger screen maybe? Like reading area?
If I could customize the way my schedule is shown, like templates to choose from, is that possible? If I could take a photo here and then see it here, you'd be my favorite people, period.
The iPhone 7 is waterproof, so if the case could be waterproof as well, that'd be kind of cool. What's this?
That is the new InCase i7 Plus, fitting perfectly across your iPhone 6 Plus, 6S Plus, and 7 Plus, with a waterproof casing that's 40% larger in screen size and uses the latest Carta 1.2 panels, offering the best contrast ratio available on any e-ink device.
Oh, you guys made this waterproof too? You guys.
Okay, that's a big screen.
For the record here, it actually pushes my news direct to my InCase. I actually don't have to do a thing. I just thought I was being lazy.
Hey, look at that. That is awesome. Oh, you did schedule templates? Can I keep this, please?
You asked, we listened.
Feels like Christmas.
With your support, help bring InCase i7 Plus to life.
.3D printers are either expensive or don't match the quality standards to make the true beauty of your design real. Now there is a solution. Introducing SparkMaker, an affordable desktop SLA 3D printer for everyone. SparkMaker is designed as a plug-and-play, standalone printer. Start printing is super easy. Just download the design file from computer to an SD card. Insert it to SparkMaker with resin filled. Press the button and you are all set. During the printing, an LED light will keep you updated about the status, and a UV protective translucent cover to avoid any damage from the circumstance. The printing area is 102 by 125 millimeters, with a 0.1 millimeter XY resolution and a Z resolution up to 0.02 millimeters. After printing, simply take off the top and grab your finished product. SparkMaker comes with 5 types of resins for different objects you want to create. And with the 5 types of color paste, you can print any color you want. If you don't want to get messed with the typical resins, we also provide a special resin that can be cleaned by water directly. No matter you are an artist, designer, or hobbyist, you will be able to create high-quality 3D printed objects with SparkMaker. SparkMaker comes with a free and easy-to-use software to design your own objects. Or you can just use existing 3D models from our library. We believe that the future of 3D printing relies on making it available for everyone. We tap the top engineering, 3D printing, and industrial design talent to create SparkMaker. Our team has been working on 3D printer manufacturing for years, and we are confident to introduce SparkMaker to everybody to see what you will create with it. So join us, and let's start creating.